Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. In this video I'm so glad to show you some pieces I bought from the latest Chanel Fall 23 collection. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please take a moment to subscribe and don't forget to follow me also on Instagram, where I upload quite daily makeup news. So the beautiful new collection Equinox de Chanel has dropped in stores, boutiques and online, and it's a very beautiful makeup collection. It comes together with the BYZANCE eyeshadow quads, the 4 quads. So if you're interested in these quads, please check my video also. So the collection is inspired by the rich colors of the autumn seasons, and also the contrast between light and shadows. There are 2 new blushes that are very interesting because their textures is so luminous, natural. It's very interesting. There are also beautiful new shades of Cocoa Bloom. In particular, Sweetness is such a shade that's been used for the entire makeup look you can see Kristen Stewart is wearing. And there are also 2 new shades for nail polish. In particular, this one is so beautiful in my opinion, and it's the one the model is wearing also. There is also a new interesting product, and it is the Ombre Premiere Loose Powder Eyeshadow. So I purchased 2 shades from this new collection, and I bought Mourir Noir number 414 and Bois d'Amarante, that is number 412. So I took the most intense shade in a way, because Mourir Noir is the coolest violet. Instead, Bois d'Amarante is a sort of reddish tone, very beautiful and wearable in my opinion, and I wanted to use them to create one color look, and this is how it turned using the violet shade. And I purchased also the mauve tone from the new blush collection. So this is so beautiful. It's beige, rose and mauve. It's such a shade, and I'm so impressed with this blush that I'm wearing now, because of its texture that is very light, very natural, luminous in a way. Even if it's a mauve shade, you see it really looks so flattering in my opinion. And yeah, I dedicated the second part of the video to the makeup look I created. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. And I can tell you I used also a shade from this Parure Crystal palette, the new one from the BYZANCE collection. I haven't reviewed it yet, but it's coming, dedicated review. In particular, I love this white shade so much, and I use it in the center of this makeup look. It's a sort of lavender, white lavender shade, so beautiful. I love it. Now I will show you the swatches of the eyeshadows and the makeup application of the entire look. So this is the packaging of the new loose eyeshadow powder. You see they come with this applicator, and this is the shade 414 that I'm wearing now. You see, so it's a beautiful matte satin color, very layerable. Also you can blend it very nicely. Instead, this is number 412, see, it's a beautiful purple shade, more reddish, but also very wearable. If you have hazel eyes as me, probably you will love this kind of tones, and I bought it to apply separately, but probably you can mix it together. The blush, you see this beautiful embossing, so pretty. It really has the dimension of the highlighting blush, highlighting powders, and this is the color. So the texture, as you can see, is very subtle and also luminous, and it's very beautiful to complement this kind of tones. So now let's see the makeup application and how I apply this loose eyeshadow. So let's start using this new loose eyeshadow. So I take the product from the applicator. So I'm gonna take a sponge brush. You probably could place it directly on the lids, but I think it could make a lot of fallout, and also I think it's not so hygienic, so I prefer to place the product on the sponge applicator like this, see, and then I apply on the lids. Can blend it with your finger also. And then you can intensify a little bit, taking a blending brush to smudge everything, just like this. It creates a beautiful one color look. You see, it's almost a matte, little sudden finish. It's very wearable for creating a smoky eyes, in my opinion. Let me add a touch of this white lavender shade from Parure Crystal in the center. Ooh, so beautiful. This white lavender shade, beautiful amethyst shade on the lid with this touch of white in the center. So now I line my eyes a little bit with espresso liner, so I'm not using a very dark shade because I'm trying to achieve a more soft effect, blurred effect. I go back and smudge it. I love this color, I really love it. Because it's intense, but it's a beautiful violet shade that doesn't overcome, so it doesn't wash me out. I love it. Gonna line a bit under my eye, so I smudge it a bit under my eye, and then I go applying the mascara. This is Allure Noir Volume. Placing a touch of highlighter. This is Lisa Eldridge Pink Moon. I love it so much. Also adjust a bit your shape. Okay, now we are gonna try the beautiful new blush. I'm using the applicator. It smells, it has a lot of perfume, and yeah, destroy the pattern with me. Ooh, it's beautiful, beautiful shade. I thought the mauve wouldn't be so flattering on me, but it looks nice. I love it with this eyeshadow. It's also luminous once applied, so I think it works with a lot of autumn winter tones, and I was looking for a shade like this. So it's August now, so pale always, quite luminous. I placed the highlighter underneath, but it really gives you some luminosity, so it's very subtle, you see. Also the applicator is the applicator for the highlighter, usually from Chanel, and it has this light consistency, sort of illuminating blush, but yeah, pretty. I look also a bit tan. I'm really impressed with this. So now I'm taking Rose Natural Lip Pencil and I contour my lips a bit. I love this color. And I'm gonna use a very pale shade from Chanel now for the lips, so I place it a bit of this lip pencil underneath. The shade is from the latest summer collection and it's called Destination Rouge Coco Flash, and it's almost a nude, a very nude, so I'll let you see. You see, it's a beige shade, and I always love this kind of tones with a cool violet, but I wanna place it a little bit of shimmering effect on the lips because I think it works. So probably you could use also a beautiful shimmering shade from Chanel Gloss, and they have this cool pink tones also that's very flattering with this color, this very beautiful deep violet tone. And yeah, I'm placing Dancing Rose by Lisa Eldridge in the center of the lips. You see, this is the shade from Dancing Rose. And take it with my finger and I apply it on the center, so it gives you a bit of more luminosity. And I really love when you have sudden matte eye look to combine a more sparkling lips effect. In this case, I prefer to keep it a nude effect but with a little bit of shimmering. Instead, you can also use, as I told you before, shimmering gloss with cool lavender, pink, cool, sparkling. So this is how my makeup look turned like. I hope you enjoyed this look. Let me know your impressions, and I probably come in with other makeup look combination from this collection. So thank you for watching, let me know your thoughts, and see you soon. Bye!